Welcome folks to another mind-bending tutorial that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about Angular. Today, we're playing a game of 2 truths and 1 lie, but Angular style. Get ready for some major eye-rolling moments. Alright, let's start with 2 truths about Angular. The first truth is that Angular is a popular JavaScript framework, widely used for building web applications. Shocking, right? Not really. The second truth is that Angular has a steep learning curve. You might need to dedicate some time and effort to become an Angular pro, but hey, what's learning without a few tears? Now for the supposed lie. Some people say Angular is the easiest JavaScript framework to learn. I mean, who doesn't love spending countless hours deciphering intricate documentation and debugging complex errors? It's a walk in the park. But wait, there's more. Let's uncover a few hidden truths about Angular. Truth number 1. Angular has a thriving ecosystem with loads of pre-built components, libraries, and tools. I guess that makes development a little bit easier, so that lie wasn't entirely accurate. Truth number 2. Angular is incredibly flexible and can be used for building single-page applications, dynamic websites, and even mobile apps. It's almost as if Angular developers are living in a world of endless possibilities. So there you have it, the game of 2 truths and 1 lie about Angular. But remember, Angular might not be the easiest JavaScript framework to master, but it's certainly one of the most powerful. Thanks for joining us through this journey through Angular's truths, lies, and everything in between. Until next time, this is Leandro. Peace out.